Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use a vanilla gift card on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. If you try to add a vanilla gift card directly on the DoorDash app, it will not work. However, there is a simple workaround. Instead of adding the vanilla gift card directly, you can use it to buy a DoorDash gift card from a retailer like Walmart. First, go to the Walmart website and search for DoorDash gift cards. Click on the first option and you will see different amounts available, such as $25, $50, or $100. Choose the amount you want and complete the purchase using your vanilla gift card. Once you have received the DoorDash gift card, open the DoorDash app and go to the Me section. From there, tap on Settings, then select Gift Card. Choose the Redeem option and enter the gift card PIN. After redeeming, the amount will be added to your DoorDash balance and you can use it for orders. So that's basically how you can use a vanilla gift card on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.